In front of me is Honor Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Themes. Now you can click on Gallery or Yours at the top and apply any of those themes by clicking on the best one. If you wish to customize it instead, click on Customized right next to yours, hit Start, and click on this plus with a camera at the top left corner. Now just click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. And when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. If you want to enable or disable key borders, use this blue switcher at the top. And then to finally save your keyboard, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!